Hello sunshinies, I am Urvashi ma'am here. Today we are going to learn Sun Salutation A, Surya Namaskar. How Surya Namaskar helps children. In this cutthroat competition, children are also having some stress and anxiety. Surya Namaskar helps children to calm their mind and improve concentration. Regular practice of Surya Namaskar also gives strength and vitality to the body. It also helps in muscle building and making the body more flexible. Children as young as 5 years old also can practice Surya Namaskar daily. Let us learn Surya Namaskar A. Stand into Samasthiti position. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, right foot back, left foot back into plank. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale into upward facing dog or Bhujangasana. Exhale into Adha Mukha Svanasana, the downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward, right foot forward, left foot forward. Inhale and exhale, fold in. Inhale, reach your hands up once again towards the sky, look up towards the thumb and Samasthiti. Thank you, Sunshinies. Take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.